Well, I have a solution. Rocks! From big.
I love rocks.
From big to small. Oh, my small rock! Hello, everybody. I'm Patty McFetty, and I approve this message. Now, back is Maddie, and today we are going to talk about saving the trees. Whenever you see a tiny plant, you should never step on it, because this little guy needs to be saved. And there's a whole bunch over here.